Have you guys ever been on a website and you see their photos, they're looking kind of janky, and then you start wondering whether they're legit or not? Well, that, my friends, is why you guys need to have clear photos on your online store. Hey boss babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a 30-second hack that can literally be a game changer for your online photos. Now, what you never want to have is a product photo that looks like this, because 9 times out of 10 customers will go to your website, see the picture, and then exit back out. So yes, it's important to have a website that works good, but more importantly, it is important to have a website that also looks good. You want to make a good first impression on the customer, and you don't want them to click on your website and then exit out. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to an app called Remini. Now, they do have a free plan where you can upload up to 5 photos for free, or you can buy it for $30 a year, I think, and have unlimited refine photos that you can do. So go ahead and open up the photo that you want to refine, and what I do on this step is I always click on multiple results. So once that finishes up, you guys can see exactly how it looked before and after. Now, the reason why I said earlier to pick on multiple results is because you can see that this base one that they did, it's a little bit more pasty than the original photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on version 2, and now you can see that it has refined it almost perfectly, and it went from being this to this. And the refinement overall looks really natural, and it's just going to look so much better on your website. And so now this is what the photo looks like before and after. And even though it seems like a really small thing to do, when somebody is going on Google and trying to find that exact product and they see your item come up versus somebody else's item come up, well, guess what they're going to do? They're probably going to look at both. They're probably going to look at the price point, and they're probably going to look at the brand overall. Now imagine you see 2 sales pages with the exact same thing. One has a blurry photo, one has a clear photo. Which one do you think is going to be the legit seller? Most likely you're going to immediately buy from the person who has the clearer picture, because we all know scammers like to copy and paste. So even though this seems like a really small step, it can literally be a game changer for your sales and your overall branding. So that being said, I know this video was really short, but I hope that this tip helped you guys out. And if it did, like I said, make sure to like and comment on this video and let me know what you guys would like videos on next. And if you guys want more tips on how to make more money online, how to be a boss babe, and business things, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!